أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. As you know, we have discussed the first form of tense, that's present tense, and its subcategories. You know that tense has been categorized into three forms, that's present tense, past tense, and future tense. We have already discussed present tense and its subcategories. So let us today discuss past tense. As you know that past tense is that very tense which expresses or which shows that the action has been completed. For example, I went to school, I ate food. So the verb went and ate, they are in past tense because they show that the action has been completed. Similarly, this past tense has been categorized into four more forms. Likewise, present tense, and these forms are simple past tense. The second form is past continuous. The third form is past perfect, and the fourth one is past perfect continuous. Dear students, let us elaborate, let us further discuss that what are the uses of the simple past tense. This simple past tense is used to express a past event or past action. That is, the action is completely unrelated to the present. So therefore it is used when the time is given. For example, I met him yesterday. He died in 1990. So here I met him yesterday, that is, yesterday is the time, 1990 is time. So this met and died, these are the verbs in simple past. This simple past is used when the time is not given but it is implied and definite. So this is also used when time is not given. Okay, for example, I bought this table in Mumbai. So this bought, it is the verb in past simple, but when I bought this, I don't know it. I don't know the exact or definite time. The third use of this simple past tense is when the time is asked for. Okay, for example, when did you meet him? That is when you are going to meet him. So the time is asked. This past simple is used to express a past habit or regular action in the past. For example, every day she read a chapter of Bhagavad Gita. That is, this is the regular action, or we can say yani shim sun mamul pat pethe amut ki per day paran Bhagavad Gita. So this read, it is a verb in past tense. He never smoked. ये उसकी आदत है कि उसने कभी स्मोकिंग नहीं की है. सो स्मोकड ये छ पास्ट टेंस. अमल इस गुब्रो करान ये पास्ट टेंस यूज to express an action which lasted for a period of time in the past. For example, he worked in that office for 4 years. I lived in Delhi for a long time. तो for यस word छु ये छु express करन duration of the past action यानी पतमिस ज़मानस मंज कतिस कालस रोज ये काम पकान छु duration हावन तम कामि हुंद. Then there is how we use this simple past tense into affirmative sentences. So, bond the word structure kya shimuk. Structure pach the gobro ya thaun. Emuk structure chu simple past tense affirmative sentence means subject plus second form of verb plus object. Subject ek asit singular plural. Second form of verb along with the main verb. For example से गैस तो clear. She went to school. तो she used to is singular subject. Went to verb doing form, that's past form. School's object go subject plus second form of verb plus object. Is affirmative sentence pattern structure. For example, another example I will cite here. He ate an apple. So he singular subject, ate second form of the verb, apple object. या ब्याख मिसाल वन बह they played chess. They plural subject. तब उनमें subject एक singular या plural है. Played V2 that is second form of the verb, object chess. Okay. Then there is negative sentence. Negative sentences means क्या छ आसान simple past tense structure. Subject plus did not plus first form of the verb plus object. Okay. For name अगर नाम आस he, she, it, I, they, we, you. They'll just use correct did as a helping verb, main verb. Okay. Examples mas guys clear to us. For example, he did not eat an apple. Go at wuchu tai. Go he as या नाव आस का या she आस या it आस या I आस या they आस या we आस या you आस इमन छ personal pronouns. Okay, इमन से चेस करना did use. Okay, he did not eat an apple. कोई से did not छ, it is simple past tense. Negative sentences structure should be current discuss. They did not play chess. तो ये छु not negative, did do it past form, eat go तब उनमें ताई अगर negative sentence आस तमुक structure छु subject, he go subject, did not okay plus first form of the verb, eat first form of verb, play first form of verb, बेच objective. वने अगर गोब्रो interrogative sentence आस simple past tense structure क्या आस did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object. अगर interrogative sentence आस. For example, did he eat an apple? Go did he go subject, eat first form of verb, apple go object. Did they play chess? Did plus they go subject, play go first form of verb, object go chess. तो यो structure अगर affirmative sentence, negative sentence या interrogative sentence आस तेल कित पढ़ हेको एस आत्मज गोब्रियो structure develop करित. Okay. Then there is second form of past tense, that is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Okay? Thai to gobrio yaad. Past continuous tense you should use gasan to express two or more actions in progress at the same time. Yani agar zakaim asan at a time gasan to express two or more actions. Z ya doi khot zyad kaim yim in progress asan yim chalan asan ekshi times pe. For example, while I was doing my homework, that's the action is going on. My brother was playing outside. The action was going on. Another action was going on at that very time. Yani bos us karan kam homework to meon boy us gina. Go means boy sun ginun to me homework kare. Both the actions were going on, progressing at the same time. The students were talking when the teacher was writing on the blackboard. ओके जब टीचर ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिख रहा था तो ये एक एक्शन हो रही थी और बच्चे इधर से बातें कर रहे थे तो ये दूसरा एक्शन हो रहा था. ओके टू एक्सप्रेस एन ऑफन रिपीटेड पास्ट एक्शन यानी इसके बाद ये जो ये है past continuous, this past continuous is used to express an action, repeated action. Yani yus kaam bar bar gais undesirable. Yani undesirable means something which we won't like. For example, she was always taunting him. So timas har sat tana devan. Always taunting, was taunting. This is a repeated action. He was always coming at odd hours. So this was always coming. This is past continuous. Okay. अब नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. अगर नेगेटिव सेंटेंस होगा सो इसमें आप याद रखें दिस इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज ओब्लिक वर्ब प्लस नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, for example, subject I was ya were. If there is a singular, then was. Agar pluralized, then go were. I was not plus first form of verb play plus ing playing object chess. So I was not playing chess. So I is subject plus was plus not first form of verb play plus ing object chess. Okay. Second example, he was not writing a letter. They were not going to the market. So they subject plural tawai awayet. Not plus first form of verb go plus ing plus market object. Okay. If the sentence is affirmative, then the structure of past continuous tense would be subject plus was या were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Not a use gashn tayet nazri ki use negative sentence must wuchu. For example, I was playing chess. So I is subject was plus play first form of verb plus ing playing plus object chess. Similarly, he was writing a letter. They were going to the market. In the above examples, I, he and they are subjects. Was and were, they are helping verbs. Playing, writing and going, man verbs. Chess, a letter to the market or objects. If so, these were the uses of first two forms of past tense, that's simple past and past continuous tense. So you came to know that how we use these forms of tenses and what are the different structures of these tenses in different kinds of sentences. That's affirmative sentence and this negative sentence and negative sentence, affirmative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Hope you have understood it very well. Inshallah, tomorrow in another lecture we will discuss the other two forms of past tense. Thank you very much.